In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable 5.1 surround sound in VLC Media Player step by step. If you've ever felt like your movies or shows don't sound as immersive as they should, even though you have a surround sound system, this video will fix that. We'll go through the VLC settings, the Windows sound configuration, and I'll also show you how to make sure your video actually has true 5.1 audio. This works great for home theater setups, external speakers, and HDMI audio devices. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, click on Preferences. This will open the basic preferences window in VLC. By default, VLC only shows simple settings, so we need to change that. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, find the option that says Show Settings and select All. This will unlock the advanced settings we need to enable proper surround sound. Now, on the left-hand side menu, scroll down and expand the Audio section. Under Audio, click on Output Modules. On the right side of the window, you'll see an option called Audio Output Module. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows Multimedia Device Output. This option works best for allowing Windows to handle multi-channel audio correctly, including 5.1 surround sound. After selecting it, click the Save button at the bottom. Once you've saved the changes, close VLC completely. This step is important because VLC needs to restart for the new audio settings to apply. Next, we're going to configure 5.1 surround sound in Windows itself. On your PC, go down to the taskbar and right-click on the speaker icon. From the menu, select Sounds. In the Sounds window, click on the Playback tab. Here, you'll see a list of all available audio devices, such as realtek speakers, HDMI output, or a headphone amplifier. Select the device you are actually using for your surround sound system, then click on the Configure button. The speaker setup wizard will now open. From the list of audio channels, choose 5.1 surround, then click Next. Follow the wizard and confirm the speaker positions that match your setup. You can also test each speaker to make sure sound is counting from the correct direction. Once you're done, finish the wizard and click OK to save the settings. This ensures Windows is outputting true 5.1 audio to your speakers. Now, reopen VLC Media Player. To confirm everything is working, play a video that includes a real 5.1 surround sound audio track. Not all videos support surround sound, so this step is very important. While the video is playing, you should hear sound coming from all speakers, including the center and rear channels depending on the content. If you do, congratulations, you've successfully enabled 5.1 surround sound in VLC. And that's it. You now know how to properly enable 5.1 surround sound in VLC Media Player and configure Windows to support it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and effective software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.